I just woke up late again. But I just read this article online called 12 Unusual and Creative Alarm Clocks. I ordered all of them. Every single one. All right, the game plan here is I'm gonna unbox them all, test them, and give them all a 1 out of 5 star rating, depending on how much I like them. Some of these alarm clocks here are actually insane. I got my hands on a few that are discontinued, and 3 other ones that are completely banned in my country. Like this one that shreds your money when you hit snooze, or this one that sets off a train horn if you can't defuse a bomb. I even got an alarm clock that makes you a fresh cup of coffee. That's literally not even that crazy. I'm actually just excited about that. Let's start off with the first alarm clock. It runs you about $42 and it is proclaimed the world's loudest alarm clock. Let's see here, it looks a little small. I don't know if it can possibly be like that loud. This thing is horrifying, bro. I'm gonna run a little simulation to see how this would actually do waking me up. To make sure the simulation is super accurate, we have my girlfriend here to represent waking up next to a partner if you have to share a bed. And we have my dog Blaze here to see how a pet would like it. All right, this thing is supposed to go off in 2 minutes. I'm gonna try and doze off a little bit.
Yeah, normally he turns around on the big spin.
Don't say that, I'm alpha. I'm like asleep right now, like I'm dead asleep, right? This thing sucks. Final rating? Man, it's so effective that I'm gonna have to give it a 3. This is a 3, but this is just the first one and I'm not gonna stop until I find the perfect alarm clock. All right, let's go get the next one. This is the Pavlok. It is basically a taser watch that electrocutes you. It runs you about $150. Nice box. All right. It has 2 giant metal bars. Looks like a dog shock collar. Oh, bro. I have 1 minute until this thing goes off. And then the only way I can turn it off is by doing jumping jacks. Bro, I don't want to do this anymore. Oh no, it's about to go off, it's about to go off. Ooh, I don't like that. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. There's no way you sleep through that. For this next one, I'm gonna have Sam test it. For no particular reason.
It's going off, but I don't feel anything. Ow! This thing's stupid. How did you do that?
4 stars. It works 100% of the time. All right, so we got Clocky here. It's about a $40 alarm clock that runs away from you when you try and press the snooze button. Apparently this thing runs off your nightstand. It can hit the floor and just keep running without breaking. It's supposed to go off in 1 minute. Let's see if it would actually work. It got stuck. So you would have to get out of bed, grab it, then press that button. Then you're supposed to be up.
I like this one.
You like this one?
8.
It's a 5 star system.
This one's a 5.
Whoa.
It's a 5 because
right.
You got out of bed and it wheels and it's cute, makes a cool sound. And it's funny for Blaze.
It's like a 3. Like it's not that traumatizing. I need more trauma to wake up in the morning. This is the flying alarm clock. It apparently takes flight, so you have to chase it down to turn it off. Cool thing about it though is it's only $18.99. Man, this thing is really cheap. I was just adjusting the time and then one of the numbers just completely disappeared.
Push it in harder.
Oh, let's just be in it. I just broke it. I want whatever you're doing here to work so bad.
See if it works. Make sure it works. I'm a producer, bro.
It's pretty much destined for a 1-star rating unless this works. It's all set up. Let's see if this one's effective. Let me do an accurate representation of what would happen while we're sleeping.
What?
Crap, dude, that scared me so bad. Blaze, what's up, dude? The idea is so cool, but it's built so terribly. I'm gonna give it a 2-star. Next alarm clock. This is a $450 alarm clock, and it brews you a fresh cup of coffee in the morning. I have extremely high expectations for this thing, for how expensive it is. Good tape on that thing, damn. Thank you and enjoy. Whoa. Next layer. This is maybe the only machine that we have so far that positively wakes you up. This is so freaking sick. Humans We've come too far for our own good. Oh, Mother of God. It's beautiful. I love this thing. I'm gonna review this thing for a week and I'll cut in my actual review after using it for a long time.
Day 1,
2,
3, 4,
5, 6. One a week. This thing's awesome, but it's too expensive and my girlfriend hates when it goes off in the morning. So I'm gonna have to give it a 4-star. Next alarm clock. This one's called the Sonic Boom. Sonic Bomb. It's a normal alarm clock except it has a pad that goes under your mattress that's supposed to shake you awake. It's 40 bucks. Crack this bad boy open. It says new and improved. I guess this is a new model. All right. Oh, solid construction. I feel like I need to test this out on a bed.
All right, so this vibrating pad has to go under your mattress and it'll apparently shake you awake.
That sucks.
Whoa!
Stop it.
It's shaking the whole bed, bro.
Stop it.
That's nice. I like this.
I love this alarm. It's 5 stars. This is a 5-star alarm. But at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you guys my #1 recommendation. Next up, we have the discontinued alarms. This right here is a dumbbell alarm clock. It is completely discontinued, so you can only buy it used off the internet. And this one ran me about $48. The idea here is that you have to curl 30 times in the morning in order to turn off the alarm.
Can I have a big knife?
No.
Can I get a sword?
No. God damn it.
Oh, man.
Please stop. I don't know why I did that. It's like giving a joke. I take it back.
All right, let's cut the tape. Let's cut the tape.
God damn it.
All right, give me a slightly smaller knife. Ooh, this thing looks unused. No buttons visible on it.
This pops off.
Ooh. You just break it?
I don't know if I was supposed to do
I
that.
don't think you will.
Oh, this side. Damn it. I think it still works.
All right, so apparently I'm gonna have to curl this thing 30 times when it goes off. Sam, you wanna do this one? You have to curl 30 times.
I can curl in my sleep.
She's shake weighting. It's not turning on.
That's not how you curl.
Yeah, but for that it does. It works.
So you can just shake it and it turns off? Oh man, it has these weird slashes in it and I don't know why. What did you say? I woke you up, Sam?
Maybe that.
What the f?
Maybe it has potential because it sounds like a rattle, like a baby toy. And you curl it.
That's the crazy reason. I like it. It gets a jog on. This is a 4. Next alarm clock. It is a mathematic alarm clock. This was 10 bucks. Apparently I have to spin these dials and solve, is it addition?
This one will display an operation, either plus or minus.
Okay.
And then you have to turn these 2 dials to get it to equal to whatever's on this side.
Oh, okay. I'm hoping I don't embarrass myself right now. It's gonna go off any minute. I'm gonna have to do some math to turn it off.
Turn it off.
What plus what equals 13? It
I
is
would
plus.
never get this. Snooze it.
Well, no, Sam, it's not that hard. 8 plus 5, and it turns off. It feels about the quality of a McDonald's Happy Meal toy. I really can't get over it. Thanks. This is like a 3. This is a solid 3 stars. To the next one. Thank you, Willie. Hopefully you weren't in frame, so that looked epic.
I was.
This is the Aroma alarm clock. It uses scent to wake you up. So we got this off eBay for 80 bucks. Pretty steep. Wow. Ooh. Okay, it clicks in. To make this as realistic as possible, I'm not gonna open my eyes until I would realistically wake up. Good night. You just gonna stand there the whole time, Tyler?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow. I actually smell it. It's kind of making my eyes water. I'm like having a small allergic reaction to the perfume. This is a 0. This is the worst alarm clock I've ever seen. So the last 3 alarm clocks are actually concepts that used to exist that were banned. So I had them custom built by an engineer so we could still test them out. This is a remake of an alarm clock called the money shredding alarm clock. The way this alarm clock works is it basically charges you every single time you press snooze by shredding your money. This is a remake of the Splash and Dash. It used to be an alarm clock that would just spray you with water to wake you up. Just like that. This is a bomb alarm clock. You have a bunch of wires that you can cut to try and diffuse it in the morning. The catch being that if you cut the wrong wire, this train horn goes off. Since I can't use this one in my apartment anyway because it's too loud, and I also kind of want to get the reaction of my buddies, I'm gonna go over to my friend's house, have a slumber party, and test out all the banned ones there. We're at my buddy Eric's house right now.
Just told us that there's a little surprise.
I got a little surprise.
Tyler does this thing when he wants to do something really dangerous or destructive, where he just asks to film it at my house.
Oh, yo, Eric, PP, do one of you guys have like 20 bucks I can borrow? This is great. So the way this alarm clock works, you load it up with a bill the morning before, and if you press snooze, it shreds your money. So it goes off.
Why is it?
If you were to press the snooze button, it would just shred the money like immediately. All of it gone. Just destroys it. 1 out of 5 star rating.
Oh, 5 stars.
Considering I'm the only person who just lost money, I would definitely get out of bed the next morning on time. 5 out of 5 stars.
Let's do the next alarm. This is the Splash and Dash alarm clock. Can you do like a realistic sleeping impression? Is that, are you okay with that?
Oh,
Yeah. That's pretty good.
I'm drenched.
You think this is a joke? Could have done this at your house.
These two, sure.
Soaked, okay? No one's caring for me.
You can replace it.
I think it takes one good soaking, and then you're gonna be up before your alarm every time.
All right, from the guy who has to sleep in the wet bed tonight.
2 out of 5 stars.
Yeah.
I personally think it's like a 4 star. This is a 4 star in my opinion. That is 100% effective.
Oh yeah.
All right, last one.
I'm drenched. I'm going home.
All right,
What?
that's it.
I love you guys.
It's really late right now. He has to go home. This one was called the Bomb Alarm Clock. I'm gonna let you take the lead on this one. One of these wires need to be cut.
How much time do we have once it starts going off?
20 seconds. Oh, Mike, we have 20 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Think about this.
So bad.
Okay.
If I woke up to this, I'd actually be kind of hype. I'd actually be kind of excited.
Hurry, bro, we got 12 seconds. Cut something.
What do we think?
Blue,
No
9
way.
seconds, bro.
I think white.
White.
Blue?
Hurry. It's
Oh.
gonna go off. Cut it. You missed. Dude, you just waited 20 seconds.
I want to build suspense.
This is genius.
Get out of my house.
5 stars, bro. That's a 5-star alarm clock.
Bed, wet, money, gone, neighbors, hate me. That's what you've done here today.
Sometimes I feel like you feel alone. I just look at the painting that's inspired that.